Hey guys, so this video is for those people who are trying to figure out how to add Costco card to your Apple Wallet. Now, what you need to do, let me show you. So if you go to Wallet and Apple Pay and you come here to add a card, okay, and you search the card up, you come here and, for example, transit card, you will not find Costco here as well, any of the options. And what I found out is you need to download the Costco app, and then right here you will see your card. And let me explain to you why. Because according to Costco's frequently asked questions as of January 21, 2025, you can actually not add the digital membership card to your Apple Wallet. And the card is only accessible via the Costco app. And you just, here's the card. You just tap on the card icon. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Appreciate the honesty. Make sure you subscribe to App Mentor.